In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line in Lucidchart. Whether you're mapping out a simple flowchart or crafting a complex diagram, lines are essential elements that help connect and organize your thoughts visually. Let's dive right in. First, we need to kick things off by going to the Lucidchart website. It's a powerful diagramming application that uses intelligent tools to help you visualize data, processes, and much more. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that to get started. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your email. So go ahead and type in your email address, then click on Next. After that, enter your password and hit the Login button. You're now in the Lucidchart environment where we will be creating our line. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your homepage hosting all your previous work and options for new projects. To create something fresh, click the New button. A drop down will appear, select blank document from the options available. This will open up a plain workspace ready for your ideas. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the Shapes library. This is where you'll find everything you need to create your diagrams. Scroll down through the shapes until you come across the line options. Here you have the choice between several different kinds of lines. You can click to add a simple line directly onto your canvas, or for more precision, drag it where you want it placed. Once your line is in place, you can adjust its length, direction, and position. Click on one end of the line and drag it to modify it to fit your design. You can easily reshape it to link different parts of your diagram or to highlight connections as needed. Also, keep an eye out for horizontal and vertical lines that you can add to your workspace for different alignment needs. Again, click or drag these lines to place them exactly where you want. Furthermore, if you have multiple points or nodes you need to connect, you can click on the end-to-end boxes and edit these connections dynamically. It's intuitive and offers plenty of customization right at your fingertips. Lastly, for those of you who like to add a bit of flair or need a certain aesthetic, head over to the top menu bar. Find your line on the canvas and select it so you can open the formatting options. This menu gives you the power to change colors, add weights or dash styles, ensuring your line not only serves its purpose but also looks the part as well. That wraps up our quick guide to creating lines in Lucidchart. With these steps, you'll have your diagrams looking more organized and visually appealing in no time. Remember, each diagram you create is a canvas to represent complex ideas more straightforwardly, and lines are one of the most effective tools at your disposal in this endeavor. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.